guys, my name is Aurora, and as I announced in the last episode, I'm going to show you how to say the 27 member countries of the European Union in Italian. It's not easy to be able to say all of them, but I always forget a couple of countries, and at least I know that there are 27 and I can recognize which country is in and which ones are out. So let's get started with I paesi dell'Unione Europea. I paesi dell'Unione Europea. So don't forget to repeat them after me. Belgio, Belgium. Francia, France. Germania, Germany. Italia, Italy. Lussemburgo, Lussemburgo. Luxembourg, Paesi Bassi. Netherlands, Danimarca. Denmark, Irlanda. Ireland, Grecia. Greece, Portogallo. Portugal, Spagna. Spain, Austria. Austria, Finlandia. Finland, Svezia. Sweden, Cipro. Cyprus. I'm sorry if you hear my dog crying, but he wants me to pet him, but I'm doing the video. Estonia, Estonia. Lithuania, Latvia. Lituania, Lithuania. Malta, Malta, bless you, RG. Polonia, Poland. Slovakia, Slovakia. Slovenia, Slovenia. Repubblica Ceca, Czech Republic. Ungheria, Hungary. Bulgaria, Bulgaria. Romania, Romania. Croatia, Croatia. Thank you for watching. Make sure to put a thumbs up, subscribe to stay updated with the new videos, and remember, verde, bianco, rosso. Bye! See you next time!